Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's snack recipe is very easy: crispy potatoes chips. Take 3 potatoes. Peel the potatoes and wash. Cut the potatoes into thin pieces with the help of cutting machine. I have this cutting machine. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. Take a bowl, add water and sliced potatoes and soak for at least 10 minutes in water to remove excess starch. Take a vessel, add water. When water gets boil, add sliced potatoes. Boil for 2 minutes. Let me know from which city you are watching our video in comments below. I will thanks to everyone. Then put in cold water to make potatoes chips firmer. Take a kitchen paper towel or cotton cloth. Keep potatoes chips side by side. Pat with cotton cloth. Dry the water and moisture. Remove all chips and keep in plate for fry. Keep a cooking pan on gas stove in medium flame. Heat cooking oil in a pan. Carefully place a batch of sliced potatoes into hot oil. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. And fry them until they turn golden brown and crispy on medium flame. It's important to stir the potato chips while frying to ensure even cooking and prevent them from sticking together. Remove the chips from the pan. Transfer in a bowl. Add salt, a half teaspoon, red chili powder, a half teaspoon to give them extra flavor while they are still hot. Potatoes chips is ready to serve with friends and family. You must try this healthy chips once at home. It looks very crispy. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye, see you again.